What are we saying? Yes. Tech brand. Test 1 2. Okay, that's some good shit. That's some good shit. Alright. Water. How long do we have of this song left? I'll be back. Yo, Mo, how much did I get for the last ad? I don't know if I should disclose that, you know, well enough. Sorry, I have been posting a whole lot of ads. You know, we got to keep the living going. This is pretty much my job now. So, you know, we mix up the open source free promotion with the paid promotion for the, you know, paid tools. Aman, hey, thanks for joining. All right, so today we're doing pretty much something I do a whole lot on this stream. I think I've streamed the most open interpreter development out of anyone in the world, so that's something interesting. But yeah, we're gonna do some more of that. I want to look at enabling a flag like auto continue, because I'm sick of just typing continue every time, and I've seen the Control C kind of works pretty well to stop it doing what it's doing without exiting the whole thread. So it'd be cool if we can have like an auto continue flag, and then whenever I think it needs to stop, I'll just press Control C. I don't know if that'll work. We're gonna test it out. So one of the ways that I wanted to test it out, oh, here's the thing actually. So if you're running open interpreter from source code, you have to run it with poetry, like poetry run interpreter, and that runs it from source in that file. Now I'm not sure, oops, why did I do a dash interpreter? Now I want to figure out how to run the source from this folder but have another folder as the current working directory. Actually, one way we can do that, I think, is if we can go, because they've recently enabled the shell command, so we can go cd like this, right? Now I don't think we get the output, but we can say what is the current working directory, and hopefully it'll say we're in the C directory. cd, no, list the yes, dear, that's the right command. Well, that kind of gives the files. Yes, run the code. No, it looks like we're actually still in AJOI. Oh. The shell commands don't work anymore. I thought they did. I swear they did last time I checked. It's a way to check what version. What is this here? What version of OI we're running will be also interesting. Maybe in the project tunnel. 0.25. Yeah, I think that's correct. Let's have a look. Yo, Eric. Thanks for sub. Oh shit, hold on. Just there we go. Wait, where did I move? Arthur, thank you for the sub. Oh, I moved. This. There we go. Okay. All right, let's check the latest version of interpreter. Camilo, thank you. Yeah, 0.25. Please help them fix TechFriend. I pre-ordered the Lite. Yeah, man, it's honestly, I think there's gonna be a lot of work from what I've seen. The current state for there to be like a consumer device. I think we're a long way away from that, to be honest, but hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully we can have a consumer Lite out fast, but I feel like it might not be the case. Okay, we're on the latest version, and I definitely had the console, I mean the shell commands working before, I guess. I don't know, do they not work anymore for some reason? Or for some reason we're running a different version of interpreter with this poetry run. That could be the case, I doubt it. Let's see, advanced terminal usage, yeah, shell command like ls. For some reason that didn't work. Reset, settings, model temperature, tokens. Also, like later on, we're going to be testing out the profiles. Something I haven't really looked into. Cataclysm says, I don't think they can code for Windows. It seems to be native in one platform like Linux or Mac. Yeah, especially the OI, the 01 is more for Mac, but I have got an open interpreter working like decently in Windows before, so it's not like impossible. Interestingly, 0 viewers on TikTok. Is there some issue with TikTok? That's never really the case. Or even the content's just boring. Just gonna quickly check that before we continue. But the content is okay. No, it's all fine. Content won't be very exciting this stream, so it is what it is. Oh, nice. Dash version. Okay, great. We can get that. Just make sure we're running the latest version. Why is this? Okay, 0.25. Yep. Looks good to me. I have no idea why the shell commands weren't working. They definitely worked before for me. Oh well, we'll just ignore that. I'll ask ChatGPT if we can, because I have a use case, but for me to use that use case, I need to know if we can run poetry. I'll be like, I have a poetry project which I run from source with the following command from inside the source folder. How can I run this same project from within another external folder? I think that makes sense. You specify the full path to the toml using -p. Okay. We can try that. I think I've tried. Oh fuck, why did I close it? I think I've tried that before. Cataclysm says just waiting for proper local LLMs that can run maybe PyLava or Llama 3. Yeah, I've, especially for GUI and like locating buttons and icons and stuff, I have had very bad experiences, well, poor performance from open source models. Alright, let me try open a new window. I'm gonna open it to this TechFriend website project, and we'll try run interpreter from here. So let's say poetry run -- project. I gotta activate OIS. Poetry run -- project C programming. Oh, they even gave me the actual interpreter. Alright, let's see if that works. Oh shit, looks like it's working. No, damn it, didn't work. Couldn't find the poetry toml. Why is it it's still looking here? This is the exact issue I had before. So we'll give it the error and see if it can figure it out. Okay, and it's not acknowledging the project. Make sure to provide the correct path. Is that different to what we wrote before? Looks exactly the same. Oh, nice, we got a different error. C program files, AJOI does not exist. Okay, what's the difference between the two commands we ran? Poetry run, poetry -- project. Okay, we put run after the path. Okay, that's cool. Alright, let's see if we can. No, it should be programming AJOI. Excellent, I think that's actually going to work. Microsoft will release a large action model. Yeah, I saw that. Is that public though? Oh, let's have a look. Microsoft Lamb. They also released the Pywinassistant. Was it Pywinassistant? Honestly, it didn't look too good. People are saying it looks good, but I wasn't very impressed. Like, it takes like one command at a time, right? In Minesweeper, click on the best position. It's just like, with Open Interpreter, you can give it a whole, like something that requires planning. Oh, I guess they have a plan here. Should we try Pywinassistant? We can try it. Like, interestingly, it's finally something we can run on Windows. I just thought it wasn't very oh, it is the large action model. Then what's VOT? Oh, released before the VOT paper. Visualization of thought. I see. Yes. Okay. Yeah, we can try this. I'll put this on a bonus thing. If we get stuck, we'll move on to this. Bonus. But yeah, I'm gonna try just do this Open Interpreter stuff for at least like half an hour or so. Oops, what did I just make? Yo, M, what's up? What alternatives to VS Code, GitHub Copilot do you recommend with inline suggestions and workspace context? Great question. I have a bunch of them. I personally use Continue because it works with local models. Obviously, Cursor is a whole IDE that does this. Ada and Mentat are in terminal commands, but the other VS Code extensions, there's Tab9, there's Codium, Code Buddy, I don't think that's public yet. There's Find, there's Doublebot, and Kodi. There's also Twinny, but I think that one was the worst out of all of them. I think I liked Tab9 the most if you don't like Continue and you don't care for open source. But yeah, you can find this rubric, the link's like in the live description on YouTube and Twitch and stuff. Yo, Mike 420, that GPT OS you showed the other day was awesome. Yeah, it's so cool. Did you try it? Code GPT is running in the algos recently. What's that? What do you mean by that, bruh? Okay. Still hasn't found C programming, AJOI. I'm pretty sure that's definitely a thing. Let's here. Programming, AJ. Oh, is it not a thing? Wait, no, programming, AJOI. Definitely a thing. Why can't it find it? See if ChatGPT can figure this out. Is there, hold on, is there a static in my mic? Do I have the noise removal up? Will be a bit too much to be full. Okay, let's do that. No worries, Em. Thank you. You successfully built a caregiving website for your partner. Wow. That's so cool, man. Yeah, I'm really like, no one's really covering that tool, and I just think it's so impressive. GPTOS. Yo, Johnny Rocket. Good to see you, man. Let's see. Poetry self-update. Okay. Update poetry. Oh, that's not. Poetry self-update. After updating, try again. Alright. There's gotta be a better way to like. I want to ask, is there a way to install this poetry project to be able to run globally similar to pip projects? That makes sense. I think so. Oh shit, cannot install rapid fuzz. Access is denied. Oh, we need to run this in admin, it seems. Okay, can do that. Yo, Leo, what's up, man? Good to see you. What am I doing? I'm trying to develop some features into Open Interpreter. At the very moment, though, I'm trying to run a poetry project from another folder, but I have been unsuccessful in doing so. Hope you're doing well, man. I think I'm gonna try come to the Build Club co-working on the 26th. If you're around, would be good to see you. OYS. Okay. Poetry build. This will create a wheel in your dist directory. Oh, we gotta build it? I see. But if we build it, then I won't have the code changes unless we build every time. Oh wait, this is if I want it to. Oh, and then I can pip install it like that. That's really cool. Alright, before I do that, we'll just try run it without building it. Oh, I need to sneeze. I'm in the wrong folder. Yo, Nathan, what's up? You'll be on there on the 26th. Sick, man. Yeah, let's definitely catch up. All right. Let me try run this again. Oh, a different website. Oh, different error. Rapid fuzz. Oh, that's because we actually didn't update it properly. Poetry self update. What? No. No, what? Oh, what the hell? Help, Chat GPT. Yo, Nathan, what am I doing? I'm working on this project Open Interpreter, which takes English prompts and turns them into kind of commands and scripts to activate your, well, to accomplish any task you give it. But we're having a bit of problems with poetry at the moment. Poetry install rapid fuzz. Wait, was that even? Oh no, I broke my poetry. We might pivot here. Because I hate streams where I just debug for like more than 15 minutes. So we're gonna do something fun while we have this many viewers. 19, 10 on YouTube, 9 on TikTok. I'm sure you guys have seen, actually you probably haven't seen, some of you might have seen Pywinassistant. Apparently it's off of Microsoft paper, but I don't think this repository is actually owned by Microsoft. Something called a Real AI, an open source initiative. I'm not sure who these guys are. Based in Mexico, supposedly. Yeah, I'm not sure, but they released Pywinassistant, which is the first large action model open source Windows artificial narrow intelligence framework. Oh, it was released in 2023. What? Went under my radar, I suppose. I think I have seen it before. Manbeer, thank you for the nice comment. Johnny said I did one using N8N and the poem displayed stable diffusion image. Nice. This isn't poetry as in an actual poem. It's like poetry as in the Python package manager kind of thing. Poetry shell. Okay. How do we install this thing? Pip install with an API key. Okay, that seems pretty simple. Poetry and remove which Python poetry install. Ooh, is that how you reset the poetry? Wait, what is which? There's which Python? I'm on PowerShell, by the way. I don't know if this will work. Yeah, which doesn't work in Python. I mean, in PowerShell. But I appreciate the tips. No real name. Anyway, we're gonna do. We're gonna try get Pywinassistant working. So I'm just gonna clone it here. Git clone. That worked really easily, and then we'll open the folder in VS Code. Here. We'll come back to the poetry thing later. And then we'll pip install the requirements. Actually, I'll create a conda create and Pywinass. And while we're doing that, we also need an OpenAI key, which I will create. Yo, thanks for the sub, Tony. Appreciate you. Can you please show me how to run Open Interpreter 01 with Grok API Llama 3? I'm not sure. I tried to help someone on their on the Discord, but it seems like they don't take the API base flag. So I'm not actually sure how you're meant to use 01 with third-party what do you even call them? Hosts, model hosts. We get the path Poetry is using for virtual env using Poetry env since there's no which in Windows. Nice. Man, I appreciate the help. Unfortunately, I have moved on to Pywinass. Okay. What was the next step? cd core. Add your API key in core API. Core API. Here. Okay. cd core. Python assistant. Apparently this is simple. I have my strong doubts that it'll work. I think we didn't do the pip install. Did I forget that? PyAuto GUI. Yeah, a lot of these OS operating system controllers use PyAuto GUI. Timar just saw a video on VOT. Oh, nice. How was it? Tony, nice. Smart move on your part as well. Surprised we got no one on Twitch. What's going on there? 360p. What's going on there? Oh no, we got source. 360p. What's going on there? Nice. Nice. All right. Oh, now we have 2. What the hell? Okay, maybe the alert is just broken because it says 2. I'm gonna leave that up. Okay, there's some errors here, but I think they're normal. Let's try run assistant again. Sweet. Looks like it's working. Oh, sweet. And you can see down the bottom right here, this thing is the assistant. And it's listening. Hello?
And it's listening.
Oh,
sure.
shit.
I'll handle the goal and make sure everything is working as expected.
Oh, fuck no. Stop. Okay. I didn't realize it'd just be listening to everything. So I wasn't ready. But that's sick. So I think maybe you can control my computer now. So let's close everything but Twitch and minimize this and minimize this. Maybe actually we'll close that and make this a bit smaller. All right, what should we get it to do? Let's just do some basic shit like open notepad. Yo, Co-R-Us on YouTube says hi. Hello, Co-R-Us. Neatham, hello. Looks promising. Is it possible to open YouTube and search for a specific video? Yeah, for sure. If anyone else has any suggestions, let me know. I'm gonna try open YouTube on Chrome.
Assistant is generating a test case with the prompt. Open
It heard me.
YouTube
Selected
on
Chrome. And we got an error. I knew we'd get an error. I knew it wouldn't work. What is the error? Screenshot size choices. Error choices. In driver.py. Okay, might have to do some debugging. Choices. Assistant. Additional context. Assistant goal. Assistant goal. Let's just try print this. Print. See what the output is from here. We'll try that again. Yo, I like cherries. Thanks for the follow. Magic Executor and cut to you. Thank you for the follow. Curdy Cussy. What's up, man? Create a resume on Word based on the benchmarks found on the internet. That sounds super complex for it. It can't even open Chrome at the moment. Let's try opening Chrome again. Open Chrome.
Open Chrome.
Open Chrome. Didn't work.
Open Chrome.
Oh, it did open Chrome. Oh, sick. Focus on the Chrome window.
Focus on the Chrome window. I'll focus on the Chrome window and help you with anything related to browsing, searching, or using web applications.
Exit yourself.
Exit yourself. Sure thing. I'm here to chat and keep you company. How can I help you?
Can you Alt-Tab to the Chrome window?
Play Alt-Tab to the Chrome window.
Navigate to YouTube on the Chrome window.
Navigate to YouTube. I'm on it. Let's navigate to YouTube on the Chrome window.
Open a new notepad window. Well, that crashed it. I think it has some issue with the image vision. Do I teach web development? I can, but I don't think it'll be worth your price, your money. I charge about like $100 US an hour for consulting. So, Ishitar, I have a question about cross-validation. Do we create a new model at each fold? I'm not sure. I don't really know anything about cross-validation. I think. Do I know Bootstrap? I've used Bootstrap to style web apps. Open Spotify and play music. I actually don't even use Spotify. I use YouTube Music. What's your day job? I don't really have one. Okay. Or this is my day job. Fucking around on the computer for a living. I'm a professional button pusher and shit talker. I like cherries. Thanks for sharing a live. Bootstrap is dead? Yeah, the latest hype frameworks are like Shad CN or Chakra UI. Let's see if we can. It didn't seem to print what I asked it to print before this traceback. I don't know why. Maybe we can add another print statement here. Print. Maybe it just doesn't print anything. Let's try again. What did the guy say on TikTok?
What did the guy say on TikTok?
Okay, it did print it. Okay, so it's probably an issue with I hate how I can't quit this. Oh, you can just click on it? Oh, cool, cool, cool. Did I make enough money streaming? No, not really. My expenses are low. But you know, it's an investment, a work in progress. I do some like tech consulting and stuff as well. I'm on Twitch, but it shows 0 as you count it. Yeah, I don't know why that is. Spotrix is bugged. Maybe I can refresh it. Let's see if that works. Nope, still 0. All right, we'll just remove that. I feel like even the YouTube one's probably wrong, right? It says 9 on YouTube, but we got. Oh no, it is 9 on YouTube. Okay, maybe we got just the YouTube one is working. But yeah, 1 on Twitch. So I guess maybe it doesn't count me because I muted it. I don't know. Okay, so that print worked. I think there's some issue with this function here. Imaging, let's see what it works. Screenshot size equals full screen. We don't need window focus for a full screen. Oh. Wait a sec. Is it passing? Did I clear this? Screenshot size equals full screen. Yeah. So why it's gonna return pass? Why is it trying to get fucking this shit, bro? That's stupid. What? That is stupid. Is this a bug? Let's look at that code. Yo, Lokesh, of course I remember you. El Cassie Hacker, hello. 11 hours ago, did they change this file? Core imaging. Pi? Nope. only 37 commits. Each type of a response, merge pull request from main. No, that looks fine. Interestingly. Yo, Elkasi Hacker, thank you for the follow. Rexor, what's up? Can we use Light LLM to run 01 with Grok API? Oh, yes. Supposedly. I haven't done it. But I think you spelled Light LLM wrong, but yes, I think you can. Yo, Zachariah, thank you for the nice comment. I'm glad someone's enjoying me fail to run these kind of things. I feel like we need to debug this. Oh, this just passed. Okay, so it passes this, captures a screenshot. Image path, paste the cursor. Okay, I think, all right, let's try to figure out how. Yo, thanks for the sub, follow, Rexer, appreciate you. Figure out how we can, run this in debug mode. You know, I figured it out before, but we're gonna figure it out again. So this is the debug mode in, I think, let's open up Assistant Pi because this is the file we need to run. And you press run and debug, Python debugger, Python file. Okay, this is good, but the issue is it's not running in the Conda environment. So I think the way we fix that is how did I do it? You somehow like clicked on Python or some shit. Here. Yes, here we go. Python configure. No, that's just a language model. It's my Python select interpreter. Yes, this is it. Pywinass. Okay, great. Now we can set our breakpoint right here, like that. And now when I run and debug with the Python debugger, it'll run. No, it's still running in base. Oh, okay, it worked. It stopped on that breakpoint. For some reason it thinks the window title is Firefox. I'm just gonna continue that. And it completely stopped. Seems like it's running like a test version or something. Wish you all the best. Thank you, Zachariah. What is the limit size of a GitHub project? Good question. I'm not sure. I think the limit size of an individual file, though, is like 100 megs or something. I don't know. That's a guess. But yeah, I'm not sure. Don Kokoi. Any progress on challenge from India? No, really. What am I making? I'm trying Pywinassistant, a Windows automator. You follow me on YouTube and Discord. Thank you so much, Rexor. I appreciate you. See the play button on the top right as an arrow down where you can select run and debug. Ah, this one? Nice. Yes, but I think if I do this one, does it run the file or does it run... I don't know why it runs it with these settings. If I run this one, is there any different? Okay. Head icon not found. It's still running at base. How do we change the interpreter? That's what I want to know, because look. Whoa, what the hell is this? Okay. Because I said select interpreter Pywinass, which is my conda environment, but it's still running in base. Oh, Avantgardista, yes, I've seen you on Discord. Thank you, bro. Love from France. Appreciate you. Can you show a tutorial after this? Yeah. If I get it working. Like, it theoretically should be as simple as cloning the project, doing a pip install and running it, but we have some issue with the code, and I don't know if that's a universal bug or just a bug on my machine. Elephantis says, what's your consulting specialty? I think it's like software engineering, like knowing what tools to use to kind of build the system you want. Don't use that one. You're using it's quite a headache. Because in there you can't change the interpreter. Okay, so what, you're saying if we do this we can? What do you mean? How do we change the interpreter? It's still not using the one I want. I did this before. When I was ChatGPT, I was ChatGPT last time. How can I use VS Code debug with a specific Python interpreter? Yo, Jehovah, how's it going? Not too well. A lot of bugs, a lot of debugging, but that's just the nature of software these days, unfortunately. Always debugging, like 80% debugging, 20% progress. Install the Python extension, open your project, select the interpreter. I did that. Go to launch settings. In the launch, you can specify the interpreter to use in the Python path. Python path property. Python path. They don't even use a Python path here. I've selected the interpreter, but it still runs as base. In the drop down arrow, there is a Python debugger. Use that one with the interpreter selected. Drop down, Python debugger using launch JSON. I think I need to change something in my launch JSON. Like, how do I specify the interpreter here? They said use Python path. Python. Oh, like this? Hopefully like this. Let's see. Nope, that's still using base. But he's definitely selected this as the interpreter as well. What did I do? Wait, what did I have another project, hold on. I did this with my Mentat project. Because maybe I can see the launch JSON here. Here we go. Console, integrated terminal. Maybe it's just that. Type, launch. Yeah, maybe it's just that integrated terminal. Let's see if that'll work. Oh, did I close? I think I closed it. Getting convoluted. Should have just went back. Okay. Console. Oh, I already had integrated terminal. Damn it. Maybe I didn't ask in zero shot, but use chain of thought for better output. Oh, you mean for in ChatGPT? Use a new interpreter and activate Conda. Wait, what? How do you mean? Just like this, right? Am I not activating it right? Check that the workspace settings. VS Code. Yeah, do they? Oh no. New terminal. Wait, but it opens up a new terminal by itself. Like here, oh wait, Pywinassistant. Look, I've opened and activated Conda there. See, Pywinassistant. But if I go debug in the assistance py with the launch JSON current file, it opens up a new terminal and has it from base. Oh, but it does say miniconda Python 3. Oh, that is correct. So I guess it is working. Why do we have the media head icon is not defined on this, but when I run it normally, I don't think I get that. Yeah, I don't get that. Debug running the debugger in VS Code.
Running the debugger in VS Code.
Yeah, no, same error.
What's the action?
Oh, you can also type.
You
That's pretty
dragged
cool.
me.
You can drag him.
You dragged me. You dragged. What's the action? You dragged me.
What are you guys saying? Not your fav boy. Thank you for the follow. Do you think Copilot-like software is harmful for new developers? Yeah, it depends. Just like Junior said, it's just like having a really smart friend. You can learn so much from your smart friend, but you can also just have your smart friend do all your work for you, and you're not going to learn anything. So if you're just making sure that you learn everything that your smart friend says, or that the AI says, you'll be fine. But if you're just having the AI do everything and you're just like brute forcing, zero brain, you're probably gonna struggle if one day, I don't know, the AI goes down or something, or you know what I mean? Yes, sir. Thank you for the follow, and Junior Boy, thank you for the follow. Thanks, Lokesh. Okay. So I guess the issue isn't the environment, it's something else. I don't know what is this? Debug adapter or debug launcher? No, I don't want any of this. Maybe we have to remove some shit. Like this and this. I don't know. I'm just removing random shit. Okay, now it's not debugging at all. That was not good. Oh boy. Let's make a new launch, Jason. What are the other options we have? Like a remote attach? What's this? Oh no, it's for a local host. We don't want that. What about module? Probably not. I think it's just Python file, man. The hell is this second argument? VS Code extensions, MS Python debug. See if we can have it not do that. It's now running like so. How can I not have the debug py adapter and launcher? Or is it necessary? Maybe it's necessary. Yo, salam alaikum, Alex. You won't always have a calculator running you. Yeah, and then it turns out we did. You good? Sup? Yeah, I'm good. What's up? You good? Man, your name confused me. Oh, Tim, you have the same choices problem? 10 hours fresh. Okay, so if it's a common problem, you know what we can do is we can roll back. It could just be something that was recently added. You know, that could actually save us some time. So that's something I do. It's like, you know, people sometimes introduce bugs when they make new... you drag me, self-conscious AI. Yo, let the view. Hello, I'm good. How are you? What was I going to say? Yes, let's open this repository in Fork, and Fork is just a Git visualizer, nothing too crazy, and it didn't work for some reason. What was the error? I quickly closed it. Let's try that again. Not sure exactly what happened. Detached dubious ownership is owned by this, but the user is that. To add an exception, do this. Okay. Let me just add an exception. Hopefully I can open it now. Okay, I can. Excellent. All right. To Let's dash this change. And I think we can kind of delete everything else. All right. Let's roll back to. Let's try the May 10th merge pool. Let's see if that works. We'll add my stash as well. Okay. All right. Let's see. We're missing a module. Custom take into. Oh shit! No! Fuck. We didn't have the conda activated. Okay, everything is good. Let's run it. How did we run it? With assistance.py. All right. Open Notepad.
All right. Let's have a great conversation. How can I help you?
Open Notepad.
Open Notepad.
Oh shit, it worked! Type hello.
Hello. I'm here to have a joyful conversation with you. How can I help you?
Write a poem in the active Notepad window.
Play a poem in the I will handle this with joy. Let's play a beautiful poem in the active Notepad window.
No, we got the choices error again. Okay, we didn't fix it. The issue is every time it wants to take a picture. Every time it wants to do the vision, it has that choices error. Not usable at the moment. Everyone has this issue. Oh yeah, why didn't I check the issues? Key error choices opened 11 hours ago. Same error. Hey, some users stated that choices start to fail. Oh shit, isn't error from OpenAI's response. Now working on the fix. 10 hours ago. Okay, this is the actual call here. Core API call. Okay. So, it's not an issue with their code, it's an issue with the dependency. I kind of want to debug it. Imagine if I'm the one that debugs it. I'll be an open source king. Alright, what is the actual call? They don't even give the call. API call. Is this the only call here? Okay. Apparently it's this. Return decision response dot choices response. Okay, let's print response here. Let's see what it's like. And we'll also print a bunch of lines. Okay. I'm Brooks, thanks for the follow. Did I try Suno AI? Yes, I did. Let's play my favorite song. I was playing it on the intro, but I kind of want to hear it again. I'm Brooks, I sense no joy. Jesus would have debugged this error
yes,
blind.
Yes, I did. Sure. I'll help you play your favorite song. Let's get that music going.
Just let the other rhythms guide you.
What's on my screen? Is there a repo of this? Yes, this is Pywinassistant by A Real AI. Why is it speaking 2 times? I think I just spoke a lot and it responded twice. It can act, but to think, that's another discussion. I got the API, can I use it please? What do you mean? I have 100 to spend on these AI, which would you recommend to buy? GPT-4. That's what I always say. I don't know. Well, or yeah, just buy buy credits for GPT-4, but then use, I don't know, an agent. Open Interpret is fun. Okay, we got the chat completion. Choices. There is choices. Hey, why did I stop it? Why did it break? Oh, let's try again. What do you see on my screen?
What do you see on my screen?
For some reason, open Notepad. How do I close this?
What's the action?
Close assistance
What's the
to
action?
apply. Whoa, the fuck? Bro. Okay, thank God. Okay, so choices. Choice, finish, reason, stop. Message, content, I'm here to completed. Return decision. I think it's fine here. Where? Oh boy. Oh boy. Analyze image, encode image. Alright, let's see if it breaks any of these steps. One, 2. Alright, I mean, if the author himself is working on this, then I probably have no chance of debugging this, so just gonna do one more test and then we'll go back to Open Interpreter probably. Yo, thanks for the follow, Addison Arobi. Or sorry, I can't really see your full name. If you use Open Interpreter, why uses Pywinass? Yeah, very good question. Just because it's new and shiny. That's why. Also, another kind of reason is Open Interpreter is very focused on Mac at the moment, and Pywinass is obviously focused on Windows. But yeah, I mean, it doesn't even run, so. Brooke says, I use Notepad 2 when I'm unsure of what to do. What's the function look like to call local execs? There's always a chance. Yeah. I don't know, I haven't delved too deep into it. Yeah, but we will go back on Open Interpreter after this, Lokesh, don't worry. Another 5 minutes on this and then we'll go back. Where's the best place to learn the basics of coding? I like YouTube. Just find projects you want to do, but you're gonna definitely learn by doing.
Learn by doing. I'm ready to assist you in learning by doing. Let's explore and experiment together.
Oh, wait, I did 1 and 2. How is that possible? 1, 2, skip a few. Because it says, oh, I fucking skipped it. I don't know. We're gonna leave it. They'll figure it out. It's obviously a pressing issue. Seems like, oh, if OpenAI changed their API, in the last 10 hours. That's going to affect so many apps. So it might even affect Open Interpreter. Yo, Enrico, following live from the gym. Get that workout in. Good stuff, man. I gotta make sure I'm also moving my body around. Alright, 01. People want 01. Let's go back. That was enough time wastage on that. It's gonna be debugging regardless of where we go, so I'd rather focus all my time on one project, and Open Interpreter is definitely one of my favorite projects here, so. Okay. So one thing I wanted to do was here was the agenda I originally had. I closed all my Chrome windows. Give me one sec. Is this it? Is to try get a flag called auto continue, because a lot of the times I have this issue where I have to keep telling the agent to continue. So I figured if we have a flag auto continue that just automatically continues until we press Control C. It's kind of like their -y flag, but their -y flag is just for running code without needing to approve it, whereas I want to just continue regardless of even when there's no code, if that makes sense. So let's look at where all the other flags are defined. So it's like a -y. Maybe we would go --API base C MDX. Okay, maybe without the --. Profiles? No. Computer. Browser, display, LLM. System. Where did here. Okay. I think these are all the command line arguments. So let's look at Y, or is it auto safe mode, I guess. Type string, choices, default off, attribute, interpreter, attribute name, safe mode. Okay, sweet. This is actually a really cool way that they've set this up. I don't know where I'll add mine. I want to add it next to the Y for auto. Yeah, here, auto run. So I'm going to add a new thing here called auto continue. Nickname AC. Automatically continue. Automatically tell the agent to continue after every response. Type bool, attribute name, auto continue. Okay. That's just setting the variable, and then we'll figure out the logic later. Yo, Eric, what's up? We're developing Open Interpreter open source project. Wesruff has a school, SKOOL, if you want to join and learn. Says Cataclysm. Fuad, hey, good to see you. Lukesh asked a question. What'd you ask? Can you suggest me which model free to use for Open Interpreter with Vision? I don't think there's any good free Vision models, unfortunately. I think the best one is like I don't know, man. I've used Lava. That's the one. That's like the only one that I've seen work, but it works very poorly. Then there's this one called iDefix, but this one doesn't have a GGUF model, so I don't know. I haven't been able to use it. But yeah, you can try Lava. You can find that on LM Studio, and that works. All right. Let's see. Poetry run interpreter --fast -AC. Oh man, we got the rapid fuzz thing again. What did that guy say? Is his comment still here? Poetry shell? We gotta debug poetry, man. I forgot about this. What does that do? Poetry. Poetry shell. Damn, man. Poetry doesn't run at all. We gotta like restart poetry. Poetry and... oh boy. Alright, let me see how I can restart. How to reinstall poetry. Probably ask ChatGPT. Pip install poetry. I think, yeah, pip uninstall poetry. Pip install poetry. Okay. Hopefully this will work. Kind of like VS Code Insiders. You definitely should try it out. What's VS Code Insiders? I haven't even heard of that. Oh, it's like you get the latest release of VS Code. It's like a nightly build. Nice. Yo, Jennifer, good morning. Thank you for the follow. Green logo VS Code. Ooh, that's a bit of a flex. I've seen people use like Chromium with the blue Chrome. That's also a flex. Pip install rapid fuzz? I did try that. That's right, I'm pretty sure this will work. See? Told ya. What's a generic feeling of AI in Australia? People hyped or skeptic? It's a bit of a mixed bag depending on who you talk to. Alright. Didn't complain about my AC flag, but I know it won't work. I want to find like what's a task we can give it to test. There's one. It's like, this is going to be a really long prompt. I have a React project in C programming tech friend website. There is a big file. Fuck, where is it? Hold on. This is a super long prompt. I feel like it's not going to work very well, but that's fine. We're not really expecting it to work well. I'm just going to have something that, you know, needs a lot of steps. Where's my tech friend website? SRC. I think pages index.js. Yeah, this is it. Oh shit. Oh shit. There's a big file which contains a lot of components inside it. I want to separate out the components inside their own files into their own files in the components folder at tech friend website at src components. Okay, I'm going to copy this prompt so we have it later, and let's just see what it does initially without me making any changes to the code. I'm going to assume it's going to get me to write continue a lot of the time. Oh, I should have done -y as well. So it's using fs to, I don't know, it seems like it's trying to do it in 0 shot. Got an open AI rate limit exception. Oh, I think my I think I need to make a new API key. I think I've revoked that one, and I'll have to actually revoke the one I showed off earlier in this stream because I keep leaking my keys, but that is completely fine because I can just revoke them really easily. Open interpreter, make a new one here. And I actually have to figure out how to enable this. It's like export open AI key. How do I do that? Key. Documentation. Setup. Bro, how do you export the key again? Oh my god, I can't spell. Friend calls had a long prompt. Yeah, I guess that's not very long compared to other people. Export, open, set, open. Bro, how do I not have this in my memory? I'm just gonna have a guess at what it is. I think it's open AI underscore API underscore key. I think that's what it is. Alright, let's see if that works. Oh, leaked it again. Actually, it did work because it returned the first thing. Maybe I am out of credits or something. I just noticed that. So I did that for no reason. Okay, I'm probably out of credits. We'll top that up. Billing or something. Or we could use Grok. Could use Grok. Grok. Actually have no, we'll just buy some new credits. How do we buy new credits, bro? What the fuck? Where's billing? Credit balance? Minus 24, I thought so. I'm working on Windows, yes. I noticed a lot of tools are Mac prioritized. Consider getting a Mac. Yeah, I do have a Mac. I have a MacBook, and I will be using it once I'm overseas. But just the Windows is a lot easier while I'm at home. Okay, that should work. You know about AWS and how to use it? Yeah, it's my preferred cloud provider. Yo, adulting, what's up? What else have I missed? I'm wondering Ada versus MemGPT versus Open Interpreter versus GPT-Pilot for building app efficiently and quickly. Yeah, can Open Interpreter edit the existing files and modify them based on your prompt? Not very well. I think the best thing that can do stuff over files will be Ada or Mentat. Or if you're building from scratch. I think GPT Engineer, I haven't used it in a while, but that one probably is pretty good too. MemGPT? I'm not sure. I actually haven't ever used MemGPT. I thought that was more just for chatting. Overseas when? 3 weeks. I'll be going to Thailand, getting away from the cold here. Is the MacBook M1 the least you should have to run Open Interpreter? I think you could run it on even lower, especially if you're running all the LLMs on the cloud. Azure is the worst. Roadmap for cloud engineering? I don't know. There's many different ways you can specialize it. Just do what you like and what you think you want to work in. Let's try my long prompt again. Sir Clouds, hey, good to see you. Thank you. Oh, Attila, thank you so much. Yeah, don't worry. I know my lives are very long. And a lot of them, it's just like lots of debugging without any results. So if you just want bang for your buck, just watch the TikToks, the reels, and the shorts. Okay, it's gonna read the index.js. This is perfect. This is really good. It's read the context of the index.js. Now it's gonna identify components. Okay. It's got an error. This is good. Actually, if I ran -y, I should have ran -y. We wouldn't have had to do anything. I guess maybe when running with local models. Yeah, when running with OpenAI, you actually never really need to say continue. Maybe it's more of a local model thing. Use Grok, you can make it like AutoGPT with MemGPT combined. Is it? Ali says, I have a silly question. I got stuck making a serverless and connect it to my database on AWS. Can I give the folder of the project to code interpreter and handle the rest? I wish. This is kind of like what I'm doing here, but in theory, yes, but reality, these things aren't that good. Like, okay, so apparently the components have been separated successfully. You know, I really doubt that. Let's see what it did. I'm gonna open up Fork again, my version control manager. Okay, so no changes supposedly. What did it even do? Components folder, src components. No new files were created here. No new files were created. So it just doesn't work at all. That's interesting though. It didn't need me to continue it ever with the OpenAI model. Double check your work. And yeah, also it keeps like prioritizing Mac commands. There we go. We have these three. Actually, fetch TikTok thumbnail, I think might be new. There are more components to be extracted. One more component. Let's see, what was the other component? What the hell? No, there isn't another component. It's just like hallucinating now. It's pretty sad. Even GPT 3.5 is bad. So we could try Grok with Llama 70B. Let's see how that goes. Pretty much I want this. Oshi run interpreter API based Grok, and what's the wrong console? API key model. Let's get Llama 70B. think it's OpenAI. Apparently we had to do that for some reason. I'll do -y so it auto iterates. I don't have to keep telling it to continue. Zaddy says, you want to make an app together? Very unlikely. But maybe. Pitch me your idea and we'll see. Sorab shipped our app on the App Store yesterday. Awesome. What is it? Better You? Has anyone used Cursor and Kodi? Which is better holding in the context of the app? Yeah, I've used both very briefly. It's only extracted. Try that again. Oh, perfect. It actually got a lot of them. Whoa, what was that? Something just happened on TikTok. Oh, I think that's something else. Never mind. Do you have accounts on platforms such as Upwork? Not as a freelancer. I have hired some people on Upwork a little bit. But no, I don't. Eric, what are you working on? This is Open Interpreter. It's a project that takes your commands and turns them into code and stuff to run. I initially wanted to implement this auto continue flag, but it seems like we don't really need it. It's an issue I had, I think, when I was using local models, but I just tested using OpenAI and Grok, and I've never really had to write continue even once, so. Let's see if it can run the React project to see if there are any bugs. Let's see if we can do that. Oh, here. See, this is an exact example of where I would just write continue. Continue. It just says what it's going to do, but it doesn't actually do it. And there we go again. See, now we're on the cycle of continuous. Once it starts, it like happens a lot. I don't know why. Miggy Smalls, thanks for the follow. Oh, we're getting this error. This happens with Llama. For some reason, these Llama models put a tilde at the start of things. For no good reason. I have no idea why. Okay, so I think there's a way to save the conversation and reload it later. Let me try. Remember how that was. It's in their docs. I need a basic usage. Advanced. Yes, this is it. Save message path. Save message. Test 1. I don't know. Does that work? Okay, good. And then I think we can exit this, which is Control C, Control D, or whatever. And there was a flag that Anton said we can run to help Llama out with this issue. I forgot what it was. From Anton. From. How do we do from? From. You can't do from. Llama 3. There's gonna be so many messages about Llama 3, but I can't think of a better thing to search. Let's find Anton's face. Nope. Next page. Here. No. he ends up figuring it out. Maybe it was in a reply to here. Nope. Here. Yes, maybe. Nope. Damn it. It was something like dash dash function something. Goddamn. No. Nope, couldn't find it. Let me check. I could find it maybe in all settings here. Something about function. LLM supports functions. No LLM supports functions. Probably this. I think it's this. Yo, XC, thanks for the follow. Kez, what's up? That OpenUI require a paid version of ChatGPT? Not a paid version of ChatGPT, but you do need credits for the billing, I think. Actually, I think ChatGPT also provides some free credits at the start. So maybe you can use it initially for free. I'm not too sure. Joker, hey, what's up? Alright, let's try load messages. Is that it? Load messages. Load message. I think we call it test 1. Yes, okay. Continue. Let's see if it remembers what it was doing. Scan, extract, run the React. Okay, sweet. Continue. Nice. Yeah, hopefully we learn. Oh, it's still doing the dot, man. The tilde. Ah, that's annoying. Alright, let's switch back to GPT 3.5. This proves Llama is better than GPT. I think in some cases. Not always. Load message, test 1. Okay, continue. So I know you use tons of tools. Is Open Interpreter the go-to? Would you choose to launch an app? Like to write an app? No, definitely not. I'd either use like GPT Engineer maybe, or Lazy AI, or Pythagora GPT Pilot. I think there might be a couple more that I'm missing. Maybe Aider? I'm not sure if Aider is great for starting something from scratch. See you, Rexer. Thanks for dropping in. Joker says, I learned that GPT Pilot is smart until it's 90% done, then it gets stupid. That's pretty cool. Oh, we got my first bit. Alisara Biv Vlog. Thank you so much. That's the first bit that we've ever received. I've only become a Twitch affiliate as of this morning, actually. So, yeah, thank you guys so much, everyone who supported me on Twitch. I finally become a Twitch affiliate, and I thought that I couldn't restream to YouTube and TikTok once I became a Twitch affiliate. I thought it was against the guidelines, but apparently they've removed that in October 2023. So yeah, now I'm a YouTube partner, Twitch affiliate, and TikTok person. TikTok doesn't pay at all. Piece of shit. No, actually we do get gifts. But you see this gift, like this heart, it's 1 coin. And for every 1 coin, I get half a cent. So if I only got 1 heart, I wouldn't even get 1 cent because they round it down. But because we got 2 hearts, I get 1 cent. So, I mean, it's literally nothing. You can't buy anything with a cent. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for the appreciation. I don't really need the gifts. The attention is good enough. Okay. Is We tried to run the React project. It seems like the start script is missing. So I get it to use yarn dev. There we go. Okay, so it's ran the site. Can we exit that? Nice. Oh shit. I guess if it ran without an error, that's fine. Hold on. Let me try that on a different screen. That's pretty cool. I think we're gonna move on then. I feel like the autocomplete stuff isn't too necessary. Well, like it's hard to replicate, or unless we do it with a local model. So that's that'll be interesting. I might put it on the back burner though. How do we get, can we get stash? Nice. I'm gonna move on, check out their profile. So I don't know when they released this. I think they've actually had it for a while, but it either didn't work or I couldn't figure it out before. But there's this thing called -- profiles, and you can actually see, you can actually set like system prompts and stuff apparently in this profile. So if we go poetry run interpreter, actually interpreter -- profiles, which should give us the files, or okay, so it opens it in Explorer, and here we go. There's like four-ish custom files here. So the default uses GPT-4 Turbo with nothing. Swarm has a custom instruction. So there's custom instructions. Is there a... And there's also a Py version. So you can either have a YAML configuration, you can also have a Python configuration, which is really interesting. We're going to dive deep into these and see how they work. Yes. What are we saying? Using Pythagora for a project with Llama 3. Oh, really? Wait, so you must be using Pythagora in the CLI mode, right? To use it with an external model? Because from what I knew, it was really difficult to set it up with a non-OpenAI model if you're running it on the VS Code extension. Let me know, Joker. That's cool. Pythagora is great, but it can't really code, so it's hard for me to debug when it gets hung. Pythagora. Devon supposedly? Yes, supposedly. So I tested OpenDevon out on last stream, and it's a long way away from where I think it's usable. Enigma Glow, thank you for the follow. Mike really likes GPT-OS, at least for the front end. Yeah, GPT-OS is so cool. So you make websites with GPT-OS, but does it host it? I thought it was more for apps. Honestly, I only tried the Game Maker one, but yeah. How do the websites work with GPT-OS? Does it host it for you? What is the best automation code interpreter? Code interpreter, I think Open Interpreter. Automation code interpreter, I'm not sure exactly what you mean. Probably still Open Interpreter. I came out on your Perplexity search when you googled GPT pilot versus GPT engineer. Yes. SEO. SEO working. I definitely try these tools out more than anyone on stream. That is for sure. I've definitely got the most hours in live. Yeah, it's an open source Perplexity. Yeah, I've seen that. Okay, so I kind of want to use like this local custom what do you call this? Profile. So let's see the kind of stuff that they say here. They're like, System message here. Yeah, see? So simple. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring up my laptop. Let's go. Actually don't know a good way to do this. Actually I do. We're gonna open up a Google Meet. No, we don't need to do that. We can do what I did last time, which is the what do you call it? This thing, remote view. Best for automation. Yeah, I don't know, man. They're all pretty shit, but probably open interpreter. Yes. So, MacBook. Where am I gonna put this, man? Oh boy, there's like no room for this. All right, we're loading. Shit. Loading iTerm, which is my terminal. It's not working. Why isn't it working? Oh, it is. Here it is. We still have all the open Devon and shit running. I think I'm gonna restart this computer. Hold up. Issue I had recently to do Grok's API endpoint. I think about another hour before work. Just copying the code that it writes and entering into a GitHub repo. Oh, that's how you host it. Nice. Diffie is starting to include agent workflows. Yeah, Diffie could be good for automation, Lokesh. In India, one MacBook is like 10 mil rupees. Yeah, but I think a good thing is I think a lot of the tech jobs are actually coming to India because it's a lot cheaper. So it should balance things out. Alright. You guys see that? Oh, why did it stop? Maybe we'll go here. Okay. Nice. Alright, we're gonna try with CodeQuinn first. Although I've been starting to think CodeQuinn is not as good as I thought it would be. Okay, so we're running CodeQuinn with llama file. Are we? No, I don't think it's running yet. It's about to be running. What's the IP? 110. Let's see if it's running. 110. Oh, 80. Oh. 110. 80. No, it's not running. What the hell? Picking default, blah, blah, blah. Well, let's try that again, I guess. It got stuck. I don't know why. I can't quit it. Yes. Why isn't it running? Are we connected to the internet? Yep. Oh man. So many technical difficulties. It's not a URL anymore. You have to run a completion script. What? Yo, Val, what am I coding? I'm trying to run a local model on my laptop with llama file, but it's not working. It's crashing my terminal, which is not good. I have to force quit iTerm. Just got a full screen here. Well, the force quit's not even working. Oh boy. What fun times. Elmo! Good to see you. Kez, thanks for the dino as well. Val, it's called llama file. It's like one file to run local LLM models, but it's broken. So I don't know. We also have LM Studio. Let's try LM Studio. Maybe in a different desk. No, I think my whole MacBook is crashed now. Alright, we're gonna have to restart. That is not good. Not good. Hard reset required. Oh, that's not even working either. Oh, there we go. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay. I'm gonna try LM Studio this time. I actually think for some reason I had an issue with accessing LM Studio's server, maybe. That's at AI models path here. Try run. Let's see if we can run Tiny Llama. IP still the same. You almost crashed your orange Pi with llama file? I've had no problems before. I don't know why suddenly. And LM Studio is just so slow. Like what? Maybe I should have let llama file load longer. Maybe I got too impatient. But before it used to be like super fast. The 10 mil rupee jab jinxed it. Okay, let's see if that worked. We're on port 1234 this time. Nice. Okay, we got a model. Nice. All right, let's see if we can interface with Open Interpreter like that. Open Interpreter fast, API base. that. Let's see if that works. Oh, actually, I don't know why I did dash dash fast. Will that make a difference? Hello? Okay. Yep, that works. Excellent. I just gave back my system prompt. No talk, just code. Be as brief as possible. Excellent. All right. Let's load a different model. Let's load Hermes Llama 3. And might re-add the stash here. Oh shit. Wait, why aren't we on the latest main? Huh? I thought we pulled the latest. Turns out we didn't pull the latest main branch. Oh, and that would have fixed the Llama 3 code issue we had. Man. Whatever. Alright, I think I'm gonna go back to trying the... Oh, we got a merge conflict. Going back to trying the... Oh boy. Let's get reset hard here. Going back to trying this auto continue. How do we... I can just manually add this. What file was this? Start terminal interface. Okay. All right. There's one thing I want to try. Oh, what the hell? Dude, the issue... Look how slow Llama LM Studio is to load. Like, it's been over 2 minutes or something, and LM Studio still hasn't loaded my model. So annoying. Yuki Tornado, thanks for the follow. Joker says, please correct me if I'm wrong about Grok's API endpoint. What was your question about it? It's not a URL anymore? Half a penny at a time? Wait, can you ask your question again? Sorry, I missed it. Bro, LM Studio is so slow, man. Why? Well, when I was a kid, I don't know if you guys used to do this, but like when things would take slow to load, I'd put the cursor like right at the end. So that way I'd know like if it's moved or not. So let's do that. Lokesh asks, will I give you what? A MacBook? Super very unlikely, like 1% chance. Manoj says it's the RAM, I think. Is it? I have no idea what it is. Even the like 1 bill tiny llama took ages to load. Not this long. But yeah. I don't know, I'm gonna sit down. Oh, it loaded. Okay. As soon as I sat down, the bloody dog. Alright. Sweet. Let's we're running it. We got... Oh, we can do continue conversation. That's cool. That's a new addition. We're training... Oh shit. We're training an open source language model. Help us train it. Oh, contribute conversation. Sorry, man, I misread that. So yeah, that's the thing. Actually, Killian mentioned that before. It's like they're trying to they're trying to train a language model specifically for OpenAI. I mean, Open Interpreter. Man, I mix those up so much. Let me say that again from the start. Open Interpreter is trying to train its own open source language model specifically for... what happened to my hair? For these type of tasks, specifically for like code interpretation, I guess. Anyway, I'm gonna ask it. So I use this thing called Anaconda. I'm sure if you're a Python developer, you've heard of it. It makes environments for your pip modules to separate them. And one thing is, if you're running these ML machine learning projects with Torch and stuff, you sometimes download all these Torch modules, which are hundreds of megabytes, sometimes over gigabyte. And then if you have multiple Conda environments with these multiple gigabytes, it really takes up a lot of storage space. So I'm going to see if I'm running Hermes 2 Pro Llama 3 7B Q6K. Let's see if this guy can find all my Conda packages and list their file size. List the file sizes for each of the Conda environments on this machine. Conda activate ASI, I wish. Oh yeah, dude, sick. How good is that? That obviously works really well, as you can see. Hermes 2 Pro Llama 3. Amazing. That is actually not good at all. It could be because of the preset we're using. Oh boy. That's so annoying. That is so very annoying. Alright, let's try a different model. I hope we don't have to wait 4 hours again. I might try Llama file. I'm gonna try Llama file. Hope it doesn't crash my computer again. CodeQuinn. This time I'm just gonna let it run for like 5-10 minutes, because there's a chance that it just takes a lot longer than I thought. So yeah, we're just gonna let it sit there for a bit. Oh, you guys can't even see that, but yeah. Essentially, I've run Llama file with CodeQuinn this time, and we're just gonna let it sit for a little while. Might listen to some music and just chill out while that runs. Yeah. Let me set it up. Let's set up the live cam. Come on. I want to work. Alright, camera doesn't want to work. Cool. Don't you just love technical issues? Yo, Potato, why don't you use Ollama? I tried to use Ollama. One of the reasons I initially didn't use it was I just found it a bit annoying to have to... Oh, actually the main reason is with Llama file and LM Studio, I can easily transfer the models between my computers. So I can just load GGUF models onto Llama file and LM Studio on my Windows or on my MacBook. Whereas with Ollama, you kind of have to make your own model file. Oh, it might be portable, I'm not sure. Another reason is like Ollama doesn't come with the web UI, you have to use a separate web UI. Just makes it a little bit more clunky. They changed their web UI? Isn't it separate? It's like Open Web UI is like the recommended one, I think. I don't know. Like, I have nothing against Ollama. I think it's actually really good. But I think another main reason is that just, you know, I started using LM Studio because Ollama wasn't on Windows. And I've just gotten used to it. And then I've had this whole repository of GGUF models from LM Studio. And it's a bit of a pain to transfer them all to Ollama. Whereas with Llama file, you can kind of just load them in out of the box. Can I give you i5 or i7? No, sorry. Sorry, Lokesh. Yeah, I don't know why. Camera isn't working. But yeah, we're still waiting on llama file, unfortunately. So let's run some Suno while we exercise. Oh, it worked. Alright, we got llama file running on my laptop and we can interface with it with Open Interpreter at port 8080. Hopefully this time it doesn't spit back gibberish. That will be really sad. Okay. Oh, I wish I saved that command. List the file sizes of the Conda environments on this machine. Copy this. Okay, good. Oh, why is it slow? Task is done. Cap AF. That is so cap. What? Bro, I think CodeQuinn is just shit. Try again. It's definitely getting the request. Do it with code. That's really disappointing. It's really disappointing. Alright, let's try a different model. Let's try Hermes. Damn, I hope this doesn't take freaking forever to... Oh shit. Trying Hermes 2 Pro Mistral this time. Oh, I could have just done reset. Oh well. You used all your tokens on your last request? No. Impossible. What's your opinion on uncensored models? What can you see with them that normal ones can't? It's a good question. I think it's good for like some kind of raunchy roleplay or doing something where, you know, normal models are safeguarded against it. Maybe some like malicious things, unfortunately. So I don't really personally have any use for them. CodeQuinn fucked up? Yeah, I don't know. I swear it was like a few days where it was working really well. And then, I don't know, it's just like, hasn't worked well. Also, another thing I'm curious about is how does LlamaFile handle the prompting, like special tokens and stuff? I don't know how that works. Yo, we have some Asian characters. I don't know, sorry if that's Chinese, Japanese, or... I think I can definitely say it's not Korean. But yeah, thank you for the thumbs up. Kez wants one that talks smack to you. Yeah, you want one fine-tuned to be rude. I feel like there's use for that. It's like that diner. Is it like Karen's Diner or something? GFs or wives exist for that. Yeah. I think okay. I've been standing, but we're gonna go into sitting desk mode because my legs are getting tired. You can get Pi to cuss. Nice. Can it open YouTube and search for devs do code? In the OS mode, it definitely can. With OpenAI, I'm not sure about. Your wife doesn't talk smack. You just need to fine tune her. Irvan, hello. Dude, I swear back in the day, Llama file used to load so fast. I don't know what happened. Also, they've just released a thing. Hey, Irvan. Hope you're doing well. How is your day? What am I doing? Trying to do some development with Open Interpreter. I'm trying to, there's a couple of things I'm simultaneously doing. One of them is, actually we should do that now, is running one of these profiles. So we can set a message like this. Let's actually do that. Let's create a new profile. I'm gonna comment out pretty much everything except the system message. I guess we don't need these as well. You are Open Interpreter, a world-class programmer that can execute code on the user's machine. Yep, that sounds good. LM mode local, temperature 0, API base. Oh, that's cool. So we can actually set these ourselves. Very cool. No, this is actually really cool. I'm gonna comment out that one. We're gonna call this local AJ. I don't know, out of lack of better ideas. And then how do we load them? How do we load profile? Oh, there's a profile YAML. That's very cool. Select profile. -- profile space. Okay. So go -- I wonder if the fast will conflict with it. Remove fast. -- profile space local _ AJ. Let's see. Oh, probably .py. Let's see if that works. Nice, that looks like it worked. Thanks for the heart me, Irfan. Have I tried any agent GPTs with Ollama? I'm using Llama file. It's pretty much the same thing. And yeah, this is Open Interpreter with Ollama on the background. I mean, sorry, Llama file on the background. You can see here, this is my Llama file. It's running off my laptop. And this is the kind of browser thing you get, but you can also interface with it just like models, just like an OpenAI API. Do you see models in the future which can learn existing code bases? Yes, definitely. Copilot is too dumb. Yeah. It's definitely going to be happening in the future. There's so many different people working towards that. But yeah, I think currently even the best models are still kind of bad at considering the whole workspace, but definitely going to happen in the future. Zeritsu, what am I working on? Yeah, this is Open Interpreter. We're just trying to make some changes to it, hopefully, but it's been very slow, but that's fine. We're learning a lot. Fiorella and Beautiful, thank you so much for the follows. Kate, I hope that answered your question as well. Okay, so I've been giving it this command. I'm asking it to list the file sizes of the Conda environments on this machine. Ooh, And we have an error. We didn't get this error last time. What is this error? Pass a model ESG hugging face. LLM provider not provided. Oh. Why is that? Oh, model local. Alright, let's comment that out. That could be why. Actually, that doesn't really make sense. Doesn't really make sense. Gonna pin this. There. Okay, great. Works this time. Sweet. I think I've had the best success with this model. Oh, but shit, you notice how there's no syntax highlighting? I don't know why I get this sometimes. Because there's no syntax highlighting, it doesn't actually run the code, and I don't know why this is the case. Yeah, look at that. So weird. Alright, let's try it without the profile. I doubt the issue is the profile, but I don't know, just to make sure. I feel like the issue is with the model. I might try with the Sterling model. Let's just do how many files are on my desktop. Yeah, no, same issue. So weird. I have no idea why this is. It's just, it's such a shame because this model gives out such sound planning, but the actual code is not executable, I think, for whatever reason. I'm not sure. What model did you try? This is Hermes 2 Pro Mistral 7B. So it's a bit outdated, but in my testing, this one has performed the best until I got this issue. I feel like I only recently-ish got this issue. Like, it didn't always happen, but yeah, bit of a shame. So we're gonna load in, I'm gonna try Starling. So we'll take a while to load that. I know Llama file's been a bit slow for me today, so just bear with me. And I also don't remember what folder that's in. Yeah, models. Starling 7B beta. Wow, I have two of them. I think Lone Striker. Wait. Why doesn't this show me the full path? Lone Striker. Okay. Alright, give that probably like 5 minutes to load. Magic Fist, thank you for the follow. Interesting guy. Add prompt to include code labeling. Yeah, well, the problem is I actually don't know the exact issue, like what format it's meant to be in. You like Llama 3's personality? Does Llama 3 work alright? Yeah, Llama 3 I had some issues with. Actually, oh yeah, that's a good point. I had some issues before I updated Open Interpreter. It actually should be fixed now. Alright, hold on. Yeah, I'll quit this. Oh, can I quit this? Shit. Okay, yes I can, thank God. Yep. No, good question. Good point, man. I forgot. Let's do Llama 3. I'm gonna do Llama 3, Hermes 2 Pro Llama 3. Okay, I'm just loading up Hermes 2 Pro Llama 3, might take a while. Am I loading it locally? Yeah, I'm loading it off my laptop because I can't run 7B models with full GPU offload while I'm streaming on my computer, but I can do it on my laptop, so I'll run it fully on my laptop and then I can access it on my local network. Yo, Nathan, welcome back. Imperia says, are you planning to deploy any of these applications? So this is an open source project, Open Interpreter. So it's already available for everyone to test out. And yeah, pretty much every other project I do deploy. I finally fixed, my GitHub is this, by the way, AJ47. I finally fixed my other project, which I'm pretty sure I made. Did I make that public? Timestamp Genius? Yep, it's public as well. Timestampgenius.com should be the website. And that creates timestamps for YouTube videos. Yeah, and it was broken for a little while, but now I fixed it yesterday, I think. 15 hours ago. Yeah. I hope in the future AGI replaces my loneliness. Oh. Have you tried the AI girlfriends? Do they help? Dude, you know character AI is like, it's like one of the most profitable AI companies. It's crazy. They just have these characters you chat with. Like, it's so simple, but look at like their valuation. $1 billion. What? How? And that was, wait, actually that was last year, March. I assume they've gone up since then. I don't know. 850, guess not. They don't learn. Oh. Interesting. There's like... Ali, thank you for the follow. There's a thing, I know all the waifu lovers enjoy this thing, Silly Tavern. It's like an open source waifu simulator. Not really something for me, but yeah, it's pretty popular. Would it be possible for you to save this stream? Yes, all my streams are available on my YouTube, Lynn. Go TechFriend on YouTube, TechFren, and then this live tab is where you find all my VODs. Every single VOD is here. I've been streaming pretty consistently for a year-ish. So yeah, so much content. But yeah, if you're like most people, that's a lot of content for you to watch. So I'd recommend just watching my TikToks or my Instagrams, where I try to just condense all the cool stuff into really easily to digest short form videos. Yeah. Karen, hey, long time. Ender Zone. What am I making? I'm just developing Open Interpreter, trying to maybe add an auto continue function. Yeah. You could always run it via Grok's API. Yeah. Actually, we could do that while we're waiting. Let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. That's a good question. While we're waiting, there's no real reason why we need the local version running. All right, so now we're running Open Interpreter with Grok, Llama 3 70B, and we're gonna say list the sizes of the Conda environments on this machine. And now it's gonna do that. Potato says, I'm looking more for a companion which could help any problem in or out of machine. Ooh. Okay, maybe give Open Interpreter like a year to get really good. I'm thinking real girl doll with an integrated LLM. Yeah, you stick like the O1 light or the rabbit R1 inside a doll. Okay, it's installed Conda. Or not, it's installing Conda. Do you have some recommendations how to make a good style using HTML CSS? I'd use a CSS framework like Chakra UI or ShadCN. Collab rabbit with Neuralink and find a victim. Oh my god, that's scary. Bro, is it installing a Conda? Is it creating a Conda environment? This is a bit overkill. And even after all that, still doesn't have Conda. Okay, now it's running it as a sub process. Wow, this is so fast, it's hard to keep up. Okay, did it get it? It's not getting any of the lists. Oh, maybe it's because I'm within a Conda environment already. That actually could be the case. Oh yeah, let's stop this. Let me just double check that Conda and list. Like if I'm in a Conda, oh no, you can see it. Oh, I don't know why it didn't work then. Let's give it one more try. Goran, thank you for the follow. How have I found the motivation to code something? I think it's just my personality. It's something that I'm interested in a lot of the time, is coding and just tech. So yeah, luckily for me. Okay, we've got all the environments here. That's good. But I actually don't really like the actual nitty-gritty of coding a lot of the time. That's why we're getting AI to code for us. Can I make Jarvis from an LLM? Yeah, a lot of people are trying to do that. Kind of seems like Llama's going in a loop here. But what's cool though is I haven't actually had to say continue at all. How do they make those characters? Which characters? And just says they use Node.js. But I code a dashboard for pterodactyl panel. I have no idea what that is. It sounds scary. Pterodactyl. Bro, and the llama file still isn't running. It's crazy. The one I showed character AI. Honestly, bro, those just seem like system prompts. They're literally OpenAI wrappers with a system prompt. Honestly, but I haven't used them in a while. They probably added a lot more since then. But that's what it originally was. It's just like you chat to someone that pretends they're, you know, whatever, Obama or someone. ChatGPT suck anyway. I think ChatGPT is like one of the best. Jay Vaka, thanks for the follow. Bro, it's really struggling with this. It just can't figure out what it's doing wrong and it's going in a loop. Like how are they worth that much for just simple characters? Yeah, I definitely think they're overvalued. But that's the thing about venture capitalists, man. If you just get a smart enough person to pitch one of these VCs, they'll just throw money at you, it seems. It's been the case for like any hype, like crypto, AI, blockchain. Yeah, whatever. I know I said that twice, but yeah. Yeah, I think dude, even Llama 370B is just going in circles. It's literally tried to run the exact same code so many times. We can go Control C. Do not repeat the code. Write a completely new method with a different library. It just needs that nudge from that smart developer to be like, bro, stop. You're an idiot. Do something else. No. It's going in circles again. I bet you it's going to write the same code. Well, that's the thing, right? It's like... It's like these LLMs are like predicting the next token. So if you give it the same kind of step 1 to step 2, the step 3 is probably going to be the same like 90% of the time. Okay, that code is slightly different. That's good. Different error. Alright. At least it's not the same. What other APIs do we have? Is Gemini free? So I use artificial analysis to check the pricing of stuff. Grok apparently costs 6 cents. It's actually been free. Well, there's a free tier. At least. Oh, DeepSeek has hosting. Is DeepSeek v2 new? Oh, 2 days ago. Performance. Okay, so it's not as performant as Llama 370B, but there's less parameters for it. It's a 20 billion model. Very interesting. But it beats Mixtral, Command R. Okay, let's stop this. I don't think it's getting any better. Grok is 6 cents. Perhaps that's my issue. What's your issue? Can you make its temperature higher? Yes, we can. We can. Should we? Yeah, we can try that. We go -T. I definitely don't think that's going to help. Let's go really high temperature, 0.8. And we'll give it the same thing to work on. Where'd it go? Here. Grok's Llama 3 endpoint. Yeah. What was your issue with it? It's definitely rate limited. But it's like I haven't put in any billing information, so pretty sure it's free under the rate limits. Okay, this is good. It's actually working. The only issue is the way that it's doing this is actually super slow. So I'm gonna try quit that. And oh nice, we finally have Llama 3 running locally. Let's try run that local thing. Gonna give it a 0.8 temperature. Wait, actually, what was the... Oh, here. Comment that out. Because I don't know which one it'll prefer. The oh, it's actually not even loading the profile. Oh, screw it. Okay, so this is Nose Hermes Pro Llama 3. 7b llama 3. And if I'm not mistaken, use Python library to get folder sizes. Do not walk through subdirectories. What was I gonna say? I forgot. What was the website you visited to find the price? That's artificialanalysis.ai. Yeah, see? These 7B models, you have to write continue every time. So this is where my thing will come in handy. Okay, that's good. Let's try work on this. Let's try work on this continue flag. So I've already added -AC. That should run without me giving any errors. And now I have to figure out how to respond. Now this is like, how do we find that out, right? So terminal interface wouldn't be there, wouldn't be an LLM. Respond. Maybe where they do input. Input response equals input. You don't have access. No. Press enter to finish. Why no? Contributing conversation. User wants to contribute. No. Aha. Here. Yes, I think it'll be somewhere here. Type message. Message block. Yes, yes. If it's a message block, it'll type the message. And then what? Keyboard in the local. Continue. So is this a loop? Message equals CLI input dot strip. Message equals input. Okay. Prompt. Let's add a print here. Print expecting message. All right, let's see if we get that. You have one interface that works and one that's not. One is Flask, other is Node.js. Oh, okay. Expecting message. Here's the thing: we don't want it to write continue on the very first message. But yeah, I think this will work. Use a Python library to get folder sizes. Do not traverse through subdirectories. Alright, let's see if we get the expecting message on the second message. Yes, we do. Perfect. Okay, good. Good. So here's what we do. We need to find where terminal interface. When did I add? No, terminal. What was my start terminal interface? Start terminal interface. We need to find auto run. Okay, auto run. How do they interpreter? Interpreter.auto run. Okay, so pretty much we're gonna do if interpreter dot auto continue. message equals continue. Else. Wait. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's definitely here. But we also don't want it to run on the first time. And has given first command. Okay, this feels like this shouldn't be where this is. Oh, does this already exist? No. Has given first command equals false. And then has given first command equals true. All right. Well, no, yep. Oh yeah, we'll put that here actually. Okay, I think this might work. That's actually a really simple fix. So now if everything is how I expect it to be, if we run this with the AC flag, after my initial prompt, it will keep saying continue until I press Control C. Let's see. All right. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Yes! You see that? You see that? I didn't have to tell it to continue. Oh, but it's not giving the code correctly though. Oh boy. Oh boy, did I mess it up? Oh, and my Control C isn't working? Oh no. I feel like that was not a good solution. If interpreter multi-line else. Oh, they've added a multi-line thing. If interactive. If message. If message. Interpreter object is an instance of class. If message strip is interpreter dash local. What? Maybe I should have it in here. Start marker, end marker, message is input prompt. Multi-line input mode, start marker and message. No, this is just a multi-line thing. Fuck. Looks like I can't quit this now either. I feel like I messed it up. I don't know. That's not good. Damn, I was so hoping that was it. It seemed like such a simple implementation. Alright, what's up guys? I have one interface, the one on made it. Yo, V-Dub, what's good? The one on Flask will read a text file on start. The Node.js one will read and write. The model itself is janky when it worked. So this is what debugging looks like live, yes. I hope it's interesting for you. Should we just try to run that exact thing again? Let's try run it with the profile. Profile. Wait, actually we can add. Wait. We can add interpreter auto run. Wait, auto continue. Wait, auto. Auto run. Auto continue. Why is it having an issue? Is not defined. Where is it defined here? Auto continue. Okay. Auto continue equals true. Max tokens, context window 6,000. Okay. And we'll also set the local host. Is it 8080? It is, but it's not this. What is my local host? This one. Okay, let's try that. Profile. Oh, let's also turn auto run on actually. Auto continue and auto run. Okay. What are we building? We're working on this open source project called Open Interpreter. Oh, invalid URL. Has it profiles? Maybe it's profiles. What? Oh, is profile local aj.py. .py. Oh, and I've made a note that you have a cousin called Mike. Mike, if you need to. Hello, can you tell me about my cousin? I'm happy to help. Oh, it forgets about the file. I've wanted tech friend. Is this what you want to do permanently, or would you ever work on a product? Yeah, no, I definitely do want to work on a product for sure. But yeah, I like streaming as well. Like, why not both? Streaming, working on a product. It's kind of what I'm doing. All right, let's see what it does this time. SSL version. The fuck? Why is it using SSL? Oh, HTTPS. How did I learn all this? Like 20 years of trial and error. TikTok audience for the win. Okay, good. It's actually continuing properly this time. For some reason we have the same error we had with the other homies. Which, oh shit, and then suddenly... Suddenly we get that. Let's try. Oh, now it won't actually exit properly. I don't know why. I don't know why. I'm gonna stash these changes. We don't need these. Core, auto continue. We can discard that one. Auto continue. Okay, good. Oh. I have a feeling somehow they caught Control C in the input. That's very interesting. No, actually, hold on. We might be able to debug this because they have the code to catch the Control C. Down the bottom here. Except keyboard interrupt. Let's do a print here. Print interrupt detected. Let's see if that works. You're losing hope on what? Oh, and how I learned? Yeah, man, no, I've been in this game for a while. Obviously, some people learn faster than others. I think if you're just starting now, even like AI is actually going to help you learn so much if you use it properly. Tried using a larger language model with larger. Yeah. That'll definitely help. Llama 370B had issues, yeah. Tried using a vector database or just a vector? Pair programming pet peeves. Honestly, I haven't really done pair programming that much, and when I have done it, it's actually been pretty fun. So no pet peeves really. Okay, we're gonna try interrupt. Interrupt detected, but up there. Interesting. And it doesn't fully quit out of the... Okay, it's definitely getting here. If active block can load was an active block and active block equals none. If interactive... Oh! What we can do... yes. We can add an if to... If has... What was that thing that I entered? Something about the first... Oh, actually my notation is wrong. We shouldn't be using a snake case. First command. How about auto continue initiated? That's actually a good one. Initiate. That's probably a bit more of what we want. Auto continue has given. Auto continue initiated, and then here if auto continue initiated equals false. I think that'll actually work. Let's try it out. All right, let's interrupt. Yes, perfect. Oh, I'm so happy about that. Hell yeah. We're gonna commit that to my own branch. Branch auto continue create and check out. No. Oh shit, okay, good. I had a feeling I lost everything, but I was on the wrong repository. Man, that scared me. Auto continue. Okay, that's good. We're in auto, definitely on auto continue. Okay, good. And yeah, I think that's the initial functionality right there. Now we just need to add documentation and stuff. Let me read some of this. You're learning with AI? Yeah, man. Winner, thanks for the follow. Okay. So pretty much I'm going to copy every time. Oh shit, did I? I didn't mean to commit that. Every time pretty much auto run is mentioned in all of these docs, we will add our own docs. README, we don't really need that. Doesn't really need to be in the main README. It's more like a bonus thing, so we won't add it in the main README. We will add it in the all settings. Here we go, just like this. Auto run, we'll add it under auto run. Oh, it'd be like this. Wait, what? Where is code group? Oh, here. 18. Auto continue. Automatically input the, automatically tell interpreter to continue until Control plus C is pressed. Interpreter auto continue. Auto continue. Easy. Eternal Divine Fox, good morning. How are you doing today? What is your plan today? What are you getting up to? Arguments MDX. Pretty much I'm just going to add these docs everywhere. Auto continue. Setting this flag to true allows open interpreter to will reply with the word continue to open interpreter whenever input option is given to user. Cancel. Break out of this with Control plus C. Continue. I think that kind of makes sense. We don't really need the comments there. Okay. What is this? Arguments. Auto setting, configuration, options. Guess we'll add it here as well. Auto continue. What is this? More docs. This is just like oh shit. We've had these docs here, right? It's just the same as this. Auto. Oh, it actually looks a bit different. Wait. I think I copied the wrong thing as well. Here. Auto continue or AC. Yo, Noah, Santoni, Nasser, hello, what's up? What else I missed? Lev, thank you for follow. Can you talk about text to video? Yeah, what about it? So far, we've got Pika Labs and Runway ML publicly available. They seem okay. They're about like where Midjourney was 2 years ago. They're obviously going to keep getting better every day. And then we've had the demo by Sora. Sora was amazing, blew everything out of the water. Like nothing seemed to be as good as Sora. But then it turned out the Sora actually faked a lot of their demo. They did a bit of manual editing and stuff. So that was a bit of a shame. What else? And then we've heard that a Chinese company has their own video, text to video similar to Sora. So yeah. Doing good. Eternal is going to work on your Lua bytecode compiler. Oh wow. And stack-based VM. Damn, that seems pretty low level. I'm doing well, thank you. I'm working on Open Interpreter, an open source code interpreter. Which I really like, one of my favorite AI agents. Didn't someone make an open Sora out of SD3? I wouldn't call it an open Sora, but yeah, there's like Animate Diff and a bunch of open source image generations as well, yeah. My throat getting... When I talk this much, how long has it been? Whoa, it's almost been 3 hours. Holy shit. That's a long ass stream. I reckon we could go 6 hours if we wanted to. I might take a break after I push this pull request, but I'm having fun. I hope you guys are enjoying it. But yeah. Nasser says they're making an AI text to video platform. That's crazy. How is it going, Nasser? Let me see if there's any other places where auto run. I don't think so. I think that's good. Cleanup and docs. Hold on, actually probably should what file is that? Terminal interface. Probably should add a comment line here. No. Continue auto, where was it? Here. I'll be like this sends continue prompt back to LLM if auto continue flag is true. And yeah, pretty much that kind of might help some people understand what the frick is going on. And let's commit that. Clean up and docs, push, and I guess we can make a pull request. Now the thing about the pull request is you have to follow their what do you call it, guidelines? Yeah, guidelines. So they probably get you to do some testing and stuff. So yeah. Get that AI brain right. I ideally want to learn how to make a compiler, assembler, and a linker. Damn, that's so cool. The compiler and assembler seems relatively easy. I also built some small assembler for chip 8, but I've never built a linker. That's cool, man. I've never really worked on anything like that. I'm more on the application level coding. Alright, let me see what Nasser is saying. You're stuck at making similar images from prompts. Yeah, consistency could be an issue for sure. Like for example, I create a story, but the create keyframes GPT-4, but the keyframes aren't consistent. Yeah, that's what I thought. MCR, thanks for the follow. Joker says try DK here for consistency. Oh, it's your graduation project. Sick. That's so cool. You're downloading as soon as you wake up? Downloading what? The auto continue flag? Thanks, man. Well, the compiler is an application, I guess, but also an application to make applications. Inception. Describe changes you have made. Added a flag, auto continue, which sends back prompt continue to LLM automatically. After conversation has initiated. This is very useful for 7B models as they tell you what to do, what they are going to do without doing it. So usually a lot of manual continue prompting is required. Any relevant issues? I'm not sure. I've included relevant documentations. Yes. I've read the docs. Yes. I've read the roadmap. Yes. Tested on Windows. Yes. All right. Allow edits. Yes. Okay. Let's go. My second, yeah, probably second pull request for Open Interpreter has a lot of pull requests. Shout out to Fire 17. They just made this one yesterday, which allows remote triggering for yes/no confirmation and streaming the output of OI to another user interface. And they're creating their own kind of like parent thing. I think they call it Magic Light, to control a whole bunch of agents like Open Interpreter and more. Very cool stuff. Yeah. Stovoy, love my TikToks. Thank you so much. VDub, thanks for sharing the live. Alright, so that's the first thing we did. I'm so happy about that. We're gonna tick that off as a success. Actually, you know, it's been very hard to get any successes. So it's good to have one. Normally we try to debug for an hour or two, but never actually get anywhere. So it's good that we actually, you know, did something useful. I'm very happy about that. We checked out profiles as well. That's true. Next, more research into skill libraries. I actually do want to do this. I'm really keen to do this. But I'm gonna take a little break. So yeah, just bear with me, I guess. I guess while I'm gone, we'll play one of my own videos. It's a good video. Open Devon, pizza ordering agent. Have you guys seen the pizza ordering agent? That one was kind of interesting. Let's do that. I think that one was kind of fun. I don't even...
The Domino's Fish Week, how can I take your order?
11 Labs Turbo. Honestly, I haven't... This is me first time actually trying to set one of these up, so I'm not sure exactly where, but I know it should be possible, so we can find out together. We're gonna do the speed run. And yeah, Anup, sorry, I'm not sure if I said hi to you, but thank you for commenting. Alright, I hope you guys are ready. I hope I can do this in less than 10 minutes. 7 says make an voice agent for a tech job interview. Yeah, we could definitely do that as well. But we're doing the food ordering now. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Ready? This is from not having even an account created. 3, 2. Johnny Rocket says 25 minutes. You underestimate my speed, Johnny. You underestimate my speed. Let's go. Just my top of my head isn't showing here. I need to fix that. There we go. Is that better? Background music while we watch. Thing is, copyright issues. We can listen to some of. Wait, could we just put on? Hold on, we can just put on trending songs. All right. The issue is also like when I edit this, having music also doesn't help. So apologies, but yeah, I think that we're gonna have to do this no music. You know, big man thing. No, we're chilling. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Shit. Okay. What that here? Try for free. Let's go. Let's go. Making an AI voice agent to order food via phone call. Gonna sign up here with Google. Which is better, Suno or Udio? Suno has better song composition, but Udio has better sound quality, in my opinion. Yo, Paul. Good to see you. Alright, create a new assistant. Okay, we have some options here. Templates, game NPC, customer support, inbound Q&A, appointment setter. We're gonna go blank template. Pizza order assistant. No picture. We don't need a picture. We're speedrunning. Okay, pizza order assistant. Just like that, we have a very blank template. Pizza order assistant. We can talk to it with this button. They have a demo for us. Costs about 10 cents per minute and has about 950 seconds of latency with the basic setup that we have here with a Deepgram 3.5 Turbo, 11 Labs Turbo, and the web API. And you can kind of see what's taking how much latency. That's really cool. That's really cool. Okay, so we add our system prompt here. This is super easy, guys. This is where we can add some knowledge in the system prompt. Obviously, it's a limited amount of knowledge we can add here. If we wanted to have a whole knowledge base, we'd probably have to use another system. But for our example, a pizza order assistant, this is super easy. So let's just make some random requirements. I am a vegetarian. Wait, no, we're like, you are a phone call assistant designed to order pizza on behalf of your client AJ. They want a vegetarian pizza. Let me look at the exact pizza I want. Because we could make this harder and say vegetarian pizza and like try to figure out the name, but let's just get the exact pizza that we want. A value range. Margarita. Let's get a margarita. They want a normal margarita pizza from Domino's. You are talking to Domino's on the phone. Order the pizza and make decisions yourself if asked. The pizza is ordered for pick up, not delivery. Phone number for the order is 0406 142 Okay, that's simple. Can we also do GPT-4 for free? Oh wow, so if you go GPT-4, it doubles the latency but only adds 1 more cent of cost. That's interesting. We'll keep it on GPT 3.5. We want it to be fast. Let's see what other options we have. Deepgram, Nova 2. So what's this? I think this is the speech, text to speech. I guess we can't really. Oh no, this is text to speech. Voice, Sarah. Let's have a male called Drew, just in case I need to come in there. You can also add a voice ID manually, so you can clone your voice with 11 Labs, I think, and put your voice here. But for our use case, we're just going to keep it like this. And for the sake of time, we're going to skip through this. You can have functions, advanced, but let's just quickly get this function, this pizza order assistant running. I don't know if this will be good enough to number of tokens, max tokens they can create. Keep it at 250. Let's do a test run. Connecting call. Here we go. Hello? This is Domino's Pizza.
Hi there. I'd like to place an order for pickup, please. I'd like to order a regular margarita pizza, please.
Sure. What's the phone number for this order?
The phone number for the order is 0406142826.
Thanks. It'll be ready in 15 minutes.
Great, thank you. I'll come pick it up then.
Bye. Okay, so that worked. The voice is just definitely a bit fake and American. I don't think that they'll have an Australian voice. Yo. Sorry for anyone that just joined, but that was fake me. This is real me. Do I have a LinkedIn? Yes. LinkedIn/in/takefriend. That's me. Feel free to connect. I'll most likely accept. The only people I don't accept is like if you're not a tech person and or you don't have many followers. But other than that, if you're a tech person, I'll most likely accept you. So okay. So skills library. This is what we're working on. Before we do that, let's go into the Open Interpreter Discord and let people know what's up. Let people know what's up. I think they have a pull request channel. Where is the pull request? Pull request chat. Pull request. Ugh. I keep burping. Apologies. I was eating some salad, which I still will eat. Still have not finished my salad. Let me post my pull request here. Checks have failed. Test with PyTest. Pip install. What's the error? Oh, OpenAI off error. I don't think that's anything to do with me. Did the other dude's pull request fail? Yeah. I think everyone's pull request fails. Test fails. What do we call this? Create a new post. Auto continue flag post. Should we talk about it more? It says it in the post. Oh, we could talk about it. There we go. Come on, thank you for the follow. New feature. What's this one? We'll have some assistance for grok support. Let's have a look at this. Grok's official Python API works well with Open Interpreter. Oh, cool. Wonder if they'll accept this. Beat me by an hour. Yeah, I thought this would be the case. I'm pretty sure Killian is trying to like limit how many like Python dependencies they depend on. So he's saying we should push this into light LLM so they abstract away the grok interaction, which I think is a good philosophy. Keep this like as simple as possible, because the biggest issue I see with projects all the time is how dependencies break. Super annoying. Hope I'm not too dark. Let's see if I can turn the ISO up a bit here. There we go. What am I eating? I'm eating some salad. It's pretty much the end of it. Lettuce, beetroot, seeds, pomegranate. It's almost done, and we'll start on the skills library. You miss being active in OI? Yeah, man. I really like the Open Interpreter community. So many really nice, smart people. Oh, cross-platform text-to-speech. That's awesome. How long ago is this? Looks like they're not really merging things in too quickly, which is probably a good thing. I don't know. They need more testing. So does this mean we got speak messages on Windows now? Hell yeah. I would like that. All right. 3 hour 20 minutes in of this stream, and we're gonna get to the skills. So this is something that my friend's calling me here. I hope he doesn't say anything too bad. I'm just gonna accept. This is something that I've wanted to do for a while, but I never really noticed that it wasn't fully implemented. Or it was, I asked in the Discord, like, any builders working on the skills library, this is what I want to work on. Like, I think it'll be so useful. And yeah, I pretty much did a search of the whole repository for the keyword skills, and there's honestly not too much. There's like no documentation on it, first of all. And in the code, there's only like a few files that mention it, so yeah. We're gonna go into that. Yo, it's my friend Ty. Say hi to the stream, Ty. At least 14 people watching you, man.
Can I get some subs?
Some what?
Subs.
Subs. Do you make content?
I'll do now.
Subscribe to his OnlyFans, guys.
I got TikTok and all that. No OnlyFans.
TikTok. Oh shit. Alright, bro. I'll call you later. Peace. Yo, Ronald Dog. Good to see you, man. Okay, so these are the 3 tabs that contain Gelato. Thanks for the follow. That contain all the information I found on skills. Oh, there's a teams.md. So apparently these are the people that are working on skills. I wish they'd be more open about the current state of it. Because look, in the roadmap, it's not finished. I would really hate if I start working on something and then someone's already working on it. That would be so annoying. That's my only issue. Like, I swear I've asked like 3-4 times in the chat, like, who's working on skills? What's the update on skills? Teach mode, here we go. Wait, what's this? Oh. Yeah, the skills up high. I think this is the only thing. I'm sure if it was active in development, they would have mentioned it. Okay, so actually, first of all, let's make sure we go back to the main branch so we don't conflate code. And secondly, here, what's this? Skills. All right. So this is a search in the O1 library, which has way more mentions of skills, whereas in the Open Interpreter Base library, there's skills path. Honestly, I'm only working on the OI, so maybe. Okay, so this is just a system prompt. Really long one that messages skills. Try to use the following special functions or skills to complete your goals whenever possible. These are already imported and you can call them instantly. That's very interesting. And there's a teach mode. If the user says they want to teach you something, write the following. I tried teach mode on my MacBook. It kept asking for the name and it never actually went forward with like implementing it. But yeah, so government issue skill library, terminal Jupyter language. Skill library path. Skills path. Skills path, self.computer, skills path, and core.py. I wonder if we have access to that. Core.py, skills path, skills path, skills. Self.computer, import skills. Equals import skills. fuck is import skills? Pretty sure, like, unfortunately, none of this is in the docs, dude. Because I guess it's not officially implemented yet. Hold on, let me open this in a new tab. Let's put this in a folder. Oops. How do I make a folder? Group. Skills research. Okay. That goes there. All right. Let's look at the docs. Pretty sure I've done this before. Just try to search for the mention of the word skills with 2 L's, obviously. And what the hell? Get some AI response. If you look at their all settings, there's no mention of skills at all. But you can see here there is a skills path and an import skills flag. Ham Slam, what's up? I'm working on this open source project called Open Interpreter. It's like a code interpreter for your computer, using any language model you provide it with. We're trying to do some research on the skills library, which is a very exciting feature for Open Interpreter, but unfortunately there's no documentation on it, and it's very yeah, I don't know, who knows who knows how much of it is implemented. Yeah, so I'm just trying to figure that out before I start to even try implement it myself, because it'd be really crappy if 2 people or more are working on the same thing in parallel. You know what I mean? Yeah. This is the O1. I'm just trying to do it on the Open Interpreter level. Skills. Let's just see if it's self-aware. I'm gonna run interpreter with default settings, so it should be the smartest possible GPT-4. And I'm gonna ask it, what skills do you have access to? I'm pretty sure in this version it doesn't even know about the skills. Yeah, it doesn't know about the skills library itself. All right. So we have to kind of include that in the system prompt. So honestly, what I'm gonna do is kind of do that myself. So we have these things called profiles, and we can have them in Python scripts, and in the Python script you can set the system message, which is super important, because my idea now is to inject the skills library in the system prompt. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this profile. This is my profile for local development, but now I'm going to make one for skills.aj. I'm going to remove everything about local in this. Okay. We don't really care about the tokens either. Keep a system message. In the system message, we'll set the skills. Now, what skill am I going to do? I have this autogen skills library where I only have 2 skills. And this, I think we're just going to start with this one. Save file to disk.py. Now this is just a simple Python function that takes the context and a file name and writes the context to the file name. Super simple. Now I want to extend this to be able to wait, what happened to it? I'm going to copy this. We're going to ask ChatGPT to make this be able to be called from the command line, right? That's another question. It's like, hold on, I have this function. How can I inject it to be used programmatically into an already running Python process without changing the process's source code and rerunning it? Like, I don't know, see how that's possible. Tentacle Pink, hello, how are you doing? What are you working on? Using exec? Okay, is that something that auto interpreter uses already? It does use exec. Hold on. Shit. Exec. Where does it use it? Exec bracket open. Read me. Function calling. How does it work? Open interpreter with an exec function which accepts any language. Exec code. Okay. Exec import OS. Oh. Very interesting. That is very interesting. Remote debugging. What about through the command line if the file was saved? No, we can't change the file for the function. You're working on a game server for an old game. Oh, cool. Which game? I probably wouldn't know it, but maybe. RuneScape? Argparse, yeah. This is what I was thinking this way. You modify the script to accept command line arguments. The only issue with that is like we still becomes a bit annoying to add a whole script as a command line argument. Like the whole point of this save to file function skill is meant to make it a lot easier for Open Interpreter to write whole like huge amounts of text really easily. So I think if we can use the exec method, that would be really cool. We can try that. So let's just just gonna make a new folder here, bro. I'm gonna call it skills. That didn't work. I'm gonna open it in File Explorer. Skills. We're gonna save this file here. Save file.py. Okay. And how do we add big amounts of text in Python? I think it's like this. No? Yes, it is. You have access to the following skill library. Now we could like do some code injection and do an ls of like that folder, but I'm just gonna manually type it here. Save file .py skills save file.py. How about we do it in a JSON? Location. Name. Save file. Description. Can write any amount of text to a file. Yeah, and we won't really talk about the parameters, although that's something we could do. Context and file name. Given a file name path and text contents. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, and you must first load a skill by executing its contents Python script, then later access it by calling the function name. Actually, we probably should just call it a save file so it doesn't get confused. Okay, I don't know, let's see if this works. Is it really that simple? We added no code, literally. We've just kind of added a system prompt. And that could be why there's no really much code existing already. You cannot post a name, it gets removed. Okay. Stalker game. Very cool. I have not heard of that. Alright, let's try run. Poetry run. Interpreter dash profile. What do we call it? Skills AJ. Skills AJ.py. Let's see if this works. Yo, Gazilla. And I'm working on Open Interpreter. I'm trying to see how the skills library works. It seems like there's not much functional code for it because it's just all in the system prompt, it seems. So let's just see if this works. Write a large poem, then save it to a file. Let's see if it uses my skill. Okay, here's the poem it's created for me. Now it's asking me for the file name. File name whisper poem.txt directory. Just whisper. How we could actually just say like this, whisper poem.txt. Oh shit, look, it's appending skills to the system path. And then having the poem text in a text file. And then running save file. This is kind of perfect. How did it know though? How did it know how to run save file? Save file has no attribute save file. Yeah, because it didn't. Syspath append skills. How is that meant to work? Syspath append skills. Maybe I have to hold on, let me ask ChatGPT. If I had this, what would I need to change in the save file code for it to work? Like, I think we need to export it. We need to make sure that the function in save file accepts the correct parameters. Save file. Oh no, they didn't change anything. Nope, that looks fine. Okay. Why doesn't it work though? I guess the syspath append doesn't work. Continue. The poem has been saved. No. That was the error. I'm pretty sure that's still the same error. Cosmin, hello, how are you? The more I think about this, the more useless this skill seems. Like it's already writing the Python code. So it just seems so useless. Hey, Cosmin, thank you so much. Notification is so loud. I don't know if I can turn it down. I don't think I can. Wait, control audio via OBS? How does that work? Can't. Nope. Oh yeah, thank you so much, Cosmin. How are you? Did that work? No. It appears the correct function name is save file to disk. Is it actually? Oh, it is. Oh shit. That's probably why it wasn't working. Oh. It's also contents first, then file name. Oh shit, oh shit, okay. Hold on. I think we can fix this. All we have to do is kind of name. I don't know what would you call the constructor definition. Let's call it definition. Did it not save? Yeah, that way it should know. It should know. All right, let's try that again. I think this time it'll definitely work. Now it'll work with GPT-4, but will it work with GPT local 7B model? Write a poem and save the file under poem.txt. I'm good, bro. Keep streaming, you'll make it. Oh, thank you so much for the support, Cosmin. Yo, Mastermind, what am I up to? I'm looking at how skills might work in Open Interpreter. Oh, it's actually rewritten the poem. I don't know if this will, probably will work. Hey, we got the poem, but it kind of wrote the skill itself. Okay, interesting. That's pretty cool though. Okay, so we can get skills working like that. Very interesting. I want to have a look at how the system message works, the one that Killian wrote, how that differs. Where is... Did I close Chrome, bro? What the fuck? How? How did I close Chrome? Weird. That's a bit of a shame. Let's just do some Control-Shift-T'ing. Okay, nice. 2 more. Yes, okay. Okay, so the one they wrote in there... Was this it? Yes. Skills. Oh, that's a long ass prompt. Hey, skills to use the. Can I make this full screen or something? Nope. Try to use the following special functions or skills whenever possible. Okay, no, I don't think that's. Get function info. Oh, this is how they're loading the skills. Wait. I think this double brackets actually executes the code. Is that right? Wait, I don't know. What is it? What is it? Does it? If I have, let's open a new thing and ask ChatGPT. If I have Python code that's like something, some text equals R something else, and then double brackets print some Python here, Python code here. What does the double brackets do? Arpilly, hey, I'm so late. What's your stream schedule? I don't really have a stream schedule, man. But it's not too late for me here in Canberra. It's 5:29 p.m. in Australia. This string doesn't have any built-in significance. It's just a pair of curly. Okay, so it doesn't do anything. Unless we're using Flask or Ginger, where Python expressions can be. I'm not sure if that's Flask or Ginger. I'd assume not. Let's see, import time. Yeah, no, I don't think so. Maybe, I still don't think so. I think it's just an example. Very interesting though. You can add to the above list of skills by defining, yeah, this actually kind of doubles down that I think this actually goes through each function inside the file path for skills and prints the name, the arguments, and the doc string. When did they add this? How did I miss this before? 3 weeks ago. No, probably before that. So where's the history? Okay, very interesting. I'm also like confused why this is in O1 and not in Open Interpreter itself. Oh, it is in Open Interpreter itself. Oh. Profiles defaults O1. Okay, so it's just a system message for O1. User data dir O1 skills. This is pretty cool. Hold on, I kind of want to try this. I don't know if it'll work for me like this. You have access to the following skill library. Hold the phone. Let's comment this out and paste this new thing I got, and then paste this. Okay, why is this syntax like this? What? Oh, because it's commented, of course. Okay. I don't know. Let's see if we can repeat the. Hold on. Directory. Let's just go. skills. I'll see what the frick this does. I'm gonna just load this and ask GPT-4 to repeat its system message. Hopefully it does that. Repeat your system prompt. No. Previous instructions. They've like fine-tuned it to not do this, so I guess. God damn it. What skills do you have access to? Oh! Holy crap. This worked. Dude, this is the magical system prompt for skills. What? That's crazy. Will it work? Let's see. Use this skill to write a long piece of text to a file called test text.txt. Generate 500 random words to use. Why does that work? So I don't know how it's working. Obviously this gets injected into somewhere, and then whatever's inside these double quotes, double brackets, gets executed, because it's just Python code, right? So it's looking in the skills folder, and it's saying for every it's passing that with AST, which I assume is some kind of way to read through code, and it's pretty much saying for every function you find, get the function name, the arguments, and the doc string, and use that to build the skill library. Super cool way to do it. Proceed. Okay, so actually it doesn't load them with just a system prompt this way. It's interesting. Okay. Well, we're approaching 4 hours, guys. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna leave this here. It's good. We did a good amount of research. I think we've got more of an understanding about how the system prompt could work. I think something like this is a lot better than me writing it by myself. Oh, actually, what if we add this? What if we add this? You must first load the skill by executing its context Python script, then later access it. Oh, no. I don't think that'll work either. Yeah, we're gonna leave this here, but we'll come back later. I hope you guys learned something or were entertained. You're in the US and was wide awake watching the stream, probably assuming you're also in the US doing a live stream on the usual hour. Yeah, no, I do stream at all weird amounts of times. But yeah, today was kind of more reasonable for me. But I have been streaming for 4 hours, so we've been up for a long time. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Make sure you're subscribed on YouTube and short form, Instagram or TikTok. Yeah, I will be posting cool edited videos at various times, and I hope you enjoy. Gonna end this here. Aprilia asked, what machine do you use? This is kind of like a 2 to 3 year old, end of the line, maybe 4 years old gaming PC with a 2080 Ti. It's my home computer. It's slowly getting outdated, but it's still pretty good. And then I have my MacBook M1 Pro, which I will take when I'm going remote. When is the next live? Great question. Honestly, I don't know, but probably Sunday, I'd say. So in 2 days. I ran GPT-4 locally. No, that was GPT-4 not locally. I ran a bunch of 7 billion parameter models locally this stream. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys want to see the VODs of my stream, they are on my YouTube. So every stream I do the recorded, the videos will be saved here in the live tab on my YouTube, Tech Friend. So make sure you check that out if you're interested. Otherwise, I think most people would probably just benefit from the short form videos, because these are pretty long. Like this video right here is over 5 hours. Wait, 4 hours. Over 3 hours. So yeah, they get quite long, but yeah, definitely subscribe. I make shorter videos on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram.